You've probably seen one of the YouTube videos in which we study the typical data scientist profile. Many people have shared with us that these are really helpful as we delineate the fundamental skills one needs to become a data scientist. In this video, we'll take a slightly different perspective. We'll analyze data scientist job postings. And we'll do that with our friend Ken Jee, who is a fellow YouTuber and is also one of the authors of an awesome upcoming course in the 365 Data Science program. He has scraped Glassdoor data and is eager to share with you the findings of his study.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken Jee. On my YouTube channel, I recently did a new project from scratch series where I went through and analyzed 1,000 data science Glassdoor job postings. I thought it would be fun and informative to share my findings with the greater 365 data science community. Although the search term was data scientist, my scraper pulled in data for data analyst, machine learning engineer, data engineer, and manager level positions. This allows us to learn some interesting things about the analytics field as a whole. First, let's look at where these positions are being hired. As you would expect, California leads this category with a little more than 20% of the total job postings. Other states with the largest cities in the country also top this list, like Massachusetts, New York, and Illinois. If you're looking for a data science position, your best bet is somewhere near one of the larger cities. Only about 25% of the jobs are located outside of the top 10 states on this list. Next, let's look at who's hiring. From this sample, it looks like medium-sized companies are hiring the most data scientists. Private companies are also taking the lead here, with almost half of all data science jobs being hired by private organizations. Companies in information technology, biotech, business services, insurance, healthcare, and finance top the list of the most popular jobs by sector. If you have a hybrid skill set where you have experience with one of these domains, it could greatly help you create an opportunity for yourself. It should be noted that these can be slightly skewed by the type of companies that would post their jobs online. Small companies are likely underrepresented here because they're less likely to post their jobs on websites like Glassdoor or LinkedIn. In terms of programming skills, Python and SQL are independently mentioned in over 50% of the job postings. R is also in high demand, being asked for about 30% of the time. Scala and Java are also mentioned around 20% of the time. For data manipulation tools, Excel is still king. It's mentioned in just over 50% of the total job postings and in 49% of the data science specific job postings. Honestly, this was pretty surprising to me. Next is Tableau at 20%, Power BI at 8%, and Qlik at 3%. For cloud computing, Spark and AWS were both mentioned around 20% of the time. I also looked at the educational requirements for these jobs. A whopping 95% mentioned a master's degree and 27% mentioned a PhD. Don't worry, these are usually part of the preferred requirements for the job, which most people do not meet. The last thing that I looked at was the expected salaries across the job types and locations. From the estimates on Glassdoor, it looks like directors make the most, followed by machine learning engineers and then data scientists. What was surprising to me was that the managers were expected to make significantly less than the data scientists and machine learning engineers they are managing. I next looked at data science salary by state. It appears that Washington, D.C. and California lead this list. What caught my eye was that New York and Massachusetts offered significantly lower salaries, even though they have a very high cost of living. Perhaps if you're looking to get the most bang for your buck, you would consider positions in Utah, Missouri, DC, or Illinois. I hope that these insights have helped you to make more informed decisions along your data science journey.
That's all from Ken Jee for now. But if you've set your sight on a career in data science, we've got you covered. We developed the 365 Data Science program to help people of all backgrounds enter the field of data science. We have trained more than 450,000 people around the world and are committed to continue doing so. If you are interested to learn more, you can find a link in the description that will also give you a special offer on all of our plans. And finally, if you want to become an expert on all things data science, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We post new videos every week. Interested in even more awesome data science content? As we mentioned in the beginning, Ken Jee's a fellow YouTuber with a great knack for data science career advice, so definitely give his channel a visit as well. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and good luck!